Hey there, the team over at MyLifeUNIT has sent over one of their pressure sprayers. This is a nice small hand pressure sprayer. Now, the first thing you might think of is that this is going to be great for misting plants, and I think it will be. But there's also some other uses that I think might come in handy too, so stick around for those. So let's take a closer look at it, and we'll go other uses besides misting those plants. So here's a closer look at the sprayer itself. If you look closely, you can actually see it is marked at the 250, 500, 750, and 1000 milliliter mark. We've got the top of the sprayer. It's a nice, comfortable handled grip here. This metal piece here will adjust the spray amount. It does twist here. This back piece is stationary into here, as well as this piece here. Over here to the pump, it lifts up and slides down smoothly to build that pressure in the bottle when you have liquid in it. And over here on the handle, this is a really neat feature that I like. We can turn it on, but then this will slide and lock in place. That way there, you're not having to continue to hold that button down. If you're misting something like plants or whatever, you can just leave that on there and it will work until the pressure is too low to actually spray out that liquid. Just a quick look at the bottle itself. It is nice and thick. I don't have any kind of weak feeling to it. It does not press in, so I do like that about the bottle. And here's a look at the inside portion of that handle part. This is where the air goes down to pump in that pressure. And then we have the tube, and it actually has a very tiny filter on it to suck up all that liquid that you're trying to spray out. It also comes with a couple replacement parts on the bottom of that sprayer. You'll get an O-ring for the sealing ring, as well as an air pump check valve. All right, so for using this, it's pretty simple design. You're gonna take off that top and fill it with water. Also, if there's any kind of air, it may be because the lid is not on tight enough. So you definitely may need to check that as well. Once you're getting resistance in that pump, then it is pressurized, ready to go. So if we look here on this fine mist, you can see how fine that mist is, and it does cover a large area. You can adjust that nozzle if you need a stream for anything to get some pressure that way. Now, this is doing a great job misting over this plant. As you can see, it covers a large area, so it's gonna be great for those indoor and outdoor plants. But it may also work for some other things around the house, like putting some humidity into a room. But you do wanna notate that it may get things wet. Also, if your iron doesn't do the best job of misting, then it can be used to help iron clothes. If you don't want to use this for water and want to use it for cleaners, think about it as your window cleaner. It can cover a huge area on this window here in just a matter of seconds to help with that. I think this is a great little hand tool to keep in the house to help with all of those little extra tasks, and maybe some that you haven't even thought of yet. I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.